Hello viewers, welcome to my channels. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today the superstar American attractive nice charming singer Taylor Allison Swift is an American singer songwriter. Her narrative songwriter which often takes inspiration from her personal life has received widespread critical praise and media coverage. Born in West Reading, Pennsylvania, Swift relocated to Ness Valley, Texas in 2004 to pursue a career in country music. Movies Cats, Valentine Days, The Givers, The Lorex, Miss America, the 1989 World Tour Life, and more. Taylor Swift's lifestyle is very attractive, nice, and charming. So, today, the course of life, honesty is the best policy. Innovations, destinations between a leader and the followers. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. You may delay, but time will not. Today was good. Today was fun. Tomorrow is another one. Instantly is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different result. Things don't have to change the world to be important. Do you want to know how you are? Don't ask, act. Action will delineate and define you. The important things is not to stop questioning. Success is the maximum utilizations of the ability that you have. Life is like riding bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. If you are working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. If you don't know where you are going, any road will get you there. If you learn from defeat, you haven't really lost. I believe in an intelligence things. That things aren't random. Be how you are and say what you feel because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. I speak to everyone in the same way whether he is the garbage man of the president of the university. Step with care and great tact and remember that life's great balancing act. Be failing to prepare. You are preparing to fail. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that what you want. Hunger is the best pickle. Success is the maximum utilize of the ability. Being nice people on your way up because you meet them on your way down. The true measure of a man how he treat someone who can do him absolutely no good. The hardest thing in the life to know which bridge to cross and which to burn. You have to know how to accept rejection and reject. You don't stop playing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop playing. Just because it's not what you were expecting doesn't mean it is not everything you have been waiting. We could all take a lesson from Carry One. Some are sharp, some are beautiful, some have worried names, and all are different colors, but they still learn to live in same boxes. There's two kind of secret: those who we keep from others and those who hide from ourselves. What defines you is who you are when no one is looking. Trying and doing are two different things. When you try, you hope. When you do, your success. Maybe you will have second chance, but it will never be as great as the first one. Anything worth the tears is worth fighting for. Never force someone to make a space in their life for you because it they know your worth. They will surely create one for you. Don't stress over and could have been chance or if it should have